Let's have a virtual tour of our dental clinic. This is our reception area where patient is registered first. Then comes the consulting area where patient is explained about the dental treatment in detail. Have a look at our working area. Our clinic is equipped with 2 ultra-modern dental chairs with attached digital X-ray machines. Clinic is situated in the center of Ahmedabad, that is in Paldi area. Meet our team. We have trained paramedical staff and experienced dentists at our clinic. I will introduce myself in brief. I am dentist and implantologist and certified in basic and advanced implantology, soft and hard tissue management from Ostem Dental Implants, advanced endodontic education, that is for RCT, aesthetic smile correction, and certified by ADA CERP. Now let me introduce to my doctor team one by one. Meet my assistant dentist, Dr. Anjali. She takes care of all the general dental procedures and she is having a huge experience of clinical dental practice. Meet our orthodontist, Dr. Priyank Patel. He is the orthodontist and has mastery in correction of crooked and malaligned teeth in children, teenagers as well as adults. Meet our oral and maxillofacial surgeon, Dr. Sunny Patel. He handles all the surgeries related to wisdom molar removal. Meet Dr. Daivik Mode. He is a periodontist associated with our dental clinic and he performs dental treatment in young kids and uncooperative children. Let's have a look at some of our work specialty. Being an implantologist, I will first talk about implant dentistry. As you can see, dental implants are used to replace single or multiple missing teeth. Now, a question comes to our mind, why missing tooth should be replaced? As you can see in the video, once the tooth is gone, adjacent teeth start migrating in that empty space to fill that space, and opposite teeth also start migrating in the empty space. This kind of movement of teeth eventually leads to loss of adjacent teeth, and this vicious cycle goes on and on. Dental implants are the most successful and long-lasting treatment option to replace single or multiple missing teeth without any adverse effects to human body. Here you can see pictures and X-ray of a 73-year-old patient in whom we have delivered all fixed teeth via placing dental implants. Aesthetic and cosmetic smile correction is part of our routine dental practice. Here you can see the before and after images of smile after teeth whitening procedure. We believe in conservative dental treatment, which means to preserve as much original tooth structure as possible by providing minimal invasive dental treatment. Let's move towards orthodontic dental treatment. You can see the final outcome in this couple of slides after correcting the malalignment and spacing of teeth via orthodontic braces treatment. Invisible braces. If you don't like metal braces on your teeth, then clear aligner is the new innovation in the field of dentistry. As you can see in this slide, it is not visible, that's why it is more appealing aesthetically and provides the similar results like braces and can be done in any age group. Wisdom molar removal. Irrespective of its position in patient's mouth, our approach is to remove it in painless manner. Reduced mouth opening. We also have an expertise in increasing the mouth opening in cases of oral submucous fibrosis, which generally happens due to sopari chewing. Pediatric dental treatment. Our team is also known for our expertise in pediatric dental treatment. Check out some happy smile of kids in these slides. Advanced root canal treatment. We perform root canal treatment by using advanced instruments to reduce the number of sittings and to achieve desirable accuracy. Full mouth rehabilitation. We restore patients' confidence by full mouth rehabilitation, in which we perform multiple dental treatment that varies from case to case.